Luigi Gabisan, Fiscal, if someone invoking justifying circumstance, di ba? He will be arrested first in order to prove his intent of killing another. Yes po, no? Ang pag-invoke po ng justifying circumstances, it implies po na nasa korte na ang kaso. So a case has already been filed against the accused, and during the trial, he will during the pre-trial, prior to the trial, the court will ask the parties, the prosecution and the defense, oh, prosecution, what's your evidence? What's your theory of the case? Defense, what's your theory of the case? Pag sinabi ng defense na, Your Honor, my client is invoking the justifying circumstance of self-defense, then that's the time na po na i-invoke na. So, ang unang sasalang sa korte is yung akusado. Inverted trial po ang tawag doon, no? Pag nag-invoke ng self-defense yung akusado, then he will have to go to the witness stand first. Kasi ano bang implication ng self-defense? He will have to admit the commission of the crime. Let's say murder or homicide. So the accused will have to admit na, yes, ako ang pumatay, pero justified yung pagpatay ko sa kanya dahil I was only acting in self-defense. So meron ng admission kaagad. So the burden now is for him to prove na justified na yung, the burden in evidence will now be on the accused to prove na justified yung pagpatay na ginawa niya. And if he cannot prove na justified yung pagpatay niya, then he will be adjudged guilty of the crime. So mahirap din po pag na-invoke ka ng justifying circumstance, you will have to first admit. Because hindi po pwede na mag-i-invoke kayo ng self-defense pero hindi nyo naman ina-admit yung krimen. Or hindi nyo ina-admit yung act at the very least, yung act ng pagpatay.